Alright, since I'm off today, I decided to go ahead and do some crafts that I've been meaning to do. Basically, I bought this right here at the Dollar Tree, and I wanted to frost it up and put it in my my makeup room, which is decorated with birds and stuff. So I have some leftover stickers that I had gotten on my wall. I got this at Target. It was on sale for like $3.46 or something, and I had some remaining birds left over, so I figured I would stick it on here. And then I'm just going to frost it up, and then just put like my makeup stuff, maybe my makeup brushes or lipsticks or something inside here. So first of all, you're going to need some paper to put down so that you don't make a big mess. So I just got some like junk mail. I'm just going to place down right here, and I have my glass that, like I said, I got it at Dollar Tree for $1. This is just glass cleaner that I'm just going to clean up my fingerprints off of it. Just, you know, spray it and then just wipe it down right here. And then I'm going to pick out my sticker. Like I said, I have the bird stickers, but other ideas you could use are these. I got these at Dollar Tree, and these are you know, just alphabets, and they're big, and they also have a little bit of small ones as well, which I used that on another project, which I will show as well. This one right here I got at Walmart today for only 50 cents, which is a good deal. I'm going to use it on a different project. I'm just going to, like, they have cutouts right here, but on these, I'm going to have to use an X-Acto knife to, like, make a silhouette of this, and I'm going to put it on something else. I'm just going to use a silhouette, painting over it, and do some different project. I haven't quite decided yet what that's going to be. So here's some more Dollar Tree stickers. Also, if you don't want to buy anything, this one I did buy, but the same concept is you can just print something out on your computer, or just cut some shape that you want, and then you can use it instead of stickers. So if you don't want to go buy stickers, print something out, or just cut some shape out of paper, and you can use it as well. You can just, you know, maybe put some Elmer's glue just for a temporary stay. That way you can just peel it off when you're done. But that would work as well. So basically, here we go. I'm going to go ahead and clean this up, and then I'm going to put my sticker on. Alright, so there is the placement of my sticker. I just smooth it out. It's just one of those wall decal stickers. Then I'm just going to shake this up. This right here was, I bought at Walmart today for, I think it was like $3.64 or something like that. And it's just the frosted glass, so just kind of shake it up, and then I'm going to just lightly spray on there. And I'm going to let it dry, because I'm also going to do, you know, something on the other sides. I don't know if I'm going to do, you know, birds as well, or flowers, or what, but because I'm going to let it dry, it's going to give me a moment to think of what else I want to do to it. So, I'm just going to shake it, and lightly spray it. Actually, I think I'm going to do not more than lightly. I think I just want to do it a little bit thick so it has an obvious frost to it. But that looks good so far, I think. Maybe just a little more. Yeah, that looks really good. So, yeah, I'm just a little generous on the spraying. Once it dries, I'll figure out what I'm going to do on the other sides. But yeah, that's simple. Okay, so I decided on my other side I'm just going to use these little swirls to make like a heart. I didn't glue them down or anything. Maybe I should, but I'm just being lazy right now. So I'm just going to stick that there. It's just two swirlies. It came from this little, can't think of the word, like, starts with the S. Anyways, stencil. I got this pack at Walmart. I think it was like $4, like $3, $4, something like that. It comes with a whole bunch, and so I just used this one. I took out the little swirlies. I'm just going to make a heart. So I think that's good placement right there. And I probably should glue it, but right now I'm just being super lazy. And I'm just going to spray it. Hopefully it'll be okay. Let's see. Oh no, it moved. That's no bueno. Ah. You kind of see it there, but you know, it's not too bad. I think it's okay. And also I realized and I learned that you can start all over. I messed up on the bird that was over here on this side, but I scraped it off, started all over. It's still there, but I'm going to fix it here in a little bit. But basically, yeah, if you mess up, go ahead and just scrape it off with your nails, or use probably even fingernail polish remover might work. This one, yeah, I think I'm going to start all over and glue it. So, but that is my next image for that side. Alright, so let's try this again. I did wipe it off with fingernail polish, came off pretty easily. I just stuck a little bit of Elmer's glue on it just to get it to stay still. And now I'm just going to spray lightly. And you don't want to do heavily, because when I did heavily, it did mess up. So just lightly. I think that's good. And just going to let that dry, and when it does dry, it should be easy to peel off, because, you know, Elmer's glue is washable. Oops. And it shouldn't be too hard to take off and make it look better. I'm going to do that heart on the other side as well, and I think I'm just going to leave it back, probably just empty, just frosted. Alright, and I'll show you the finished product soon. Alright, so at this point, I've glued on my little template thing, and you might want to use like tweezers or something to peel this off with. I did use tweezers before on the bird part. You want to be super, super careful, because sometimes the stuff will lift up as well. Just trying. Alright. Alright, and there is like a little bit of lift right here. Just tap it back down. And the parts that you see that are like messed up, we're going to clean that up. And we got rubbing alcohol in the what's it called? Not a toothpick, but a Q-tip. Q-tip. And we're going to use that to clean up the mess. So 1 second, and I'm just going to peel the rest of this off. Alright, so here's my Q-tip. I'm just dipping inside the lid of the alcohol, and I am going to clean up whatever mess is on here. Oops, oh my gosh. You do want to be very careful not to put too much. In fact, you just want to use maybe like a tiny bit just to kind of clean it up. And you can see it is coming off really easily. So be careful, because it is cleaning up as well as the frost is coming off. But that is kind of help for you to straighten up some edges. Alright, I'm going to clean this up really quickly, and then I will show you the finished product. Alright, so there it is, nice and clean. And I know right now you can't really tell how it looks because I'm outside, but I will put it in my room and put some stuff in it and let you see how cute it turns out. Alright, so I couldn't decide what to stick in it, but still, here it is. It's still cute. I really like it. I think once I stick something in it, it'll look even prettier and more useful. But there it is, and it basically only cost, let's say like $5, because the thing was $1 at Dollar Tree, and the paint was, you know, like $3 something at Walmart. And really, if you had paint at home, you could just stencil some, you know, buy the thing for $1 and then stencil it with paint that you have at home and paper, if you cut out a shape or whatever character you want, and that would work. So basically you could get this done for $1, or go out and buy some spray and pay a couple more dollars and pay less than $5 for a little bit of decor in your room, and you can stick some stuff in there. Money, maybe some change, leftover change, whatever. Alright, so that's it, and hopefully you liked it. I did do a little mess ups, but hey, I learned, and hopefully you learned as well. Bye.